we need to first start by removing this panel over here. Start at this corner over here. This whole piece is going to come out with the vent, so try not to bend it down. You just want to take it towards you. Of course, you should use pry tools, but I'm just going to use a screwdriver. What I do is I just take my screwdriver and I wrap it in a cotton shirt. I'm going to get my screwdriver here in between because this part's going to come out. And while I get my screwdriver here, I'm actually using my nails here and my fingers to actually pull all towards me. So there's a bit of space here on the side and I'm actually pulling towards me. So there we go. So that's what I'm talking about. This is separating already, and all I need to do is just use my nails and put them in there and then just pull this towards me. So as I wedge my screwdriver here, notice how it has actually released those pins on the side there, and now I can start loosening along here. All right, so I'm going to open the glove box to give me some grip over here. So there underneath, it's coming loose. So this whole section here is actually already come loose. So I'm now taking my fingers underneath and then on top here, and I'm just guiding it. Look at this. There we go. All right, just to show you the attachment point there's another one there, there's one there, there's one there, and another one there by the emergency, another one there, and now I'm coming to the start-stop button. There are also attachment points underneath here. Right, before I loosen it at the end, there is a wire here that is quite tight. So I just put my screwdriver in here and I wedge it there, and that loosens this. So I've loosened this wire here, so this can now move. So there's an attachment point there, and I just do that, and there's one underneath, and there it comes out. So that's what it looks like. I just loosened that, so it gives me some free play here. Right, over here is the start-stop button. There it is, the start-stop button. All right, so here is the back of the start-stop switch. So I'm disconnecting the connector at the back here. I just pinch that and pull this out. So now I can get to the switch itself. So I need to squeeze that tab over there, and there's another one on the other side. I'm taking my fingers and I'm squeezing those two tabs. So notice that I've depressed that one and the one underneath. And now look at this, this can slide out. And there is the start-stop engine switch. All right, so now I have the replacement one and I need to slot it in. So this is how it would be. So I just align it, it would be like that. It can only go in one way, so you don't have to worry, and I can just slot it all the way in. There it is, depressed all the way in, and I just need to connect the connector. So here at the back, I just plug this in, make sure it's all the way in. Okay, so I'm returning this panel here. First step is to just clamp this wire. So now I just need to put the wire back in this little loop here. Okay, so the wire is now strapped, and now I can just feed this into the right place. All right, so I'm going to press here from the center, and it's going in. All right, so you want to see that it is flush. Looking at the top, it is flush, and check over here, it is all flush. Check the start-stop. Yes, there we can see it is functioning, so everything here is working correctly.